Good morning, students. I wish for your good health and smile. So, with your beautiful smile, we will start our fifth chapter, that is environmental pollution. Okay, student. So, we will start our chapter from warm up activity. I am here. Here is in India, Ganga is considered to be a holy river. Yet it's also one of the most polluted rivers. Can you think of way in which we make Ganga clean? So student, in India, Ganga is considered to be a holy river, yet is also one of the most polluted rivers. Can you think of way in which we make Ganga clean? So, let me start our chapter from page number 34. Here is pollution. Student, pollution can be described as a process of making the environment, air, water and land around us dirty by adding substances which are harmful. Pollution can be described. Pollution को describe किया जाता है as a process of making the environment dirty. एडिंग सब्सटेंस, कौन सा सब्सटेंस ऐड होते हैं विच आर हार्मफुल, जो हार्मफुल है, नुकसानदायक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट एडिंग सब्सटेंसेस. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, पीपल थ्रो हाउस होल्ड वेस्ट, फैक्ट्रीज डंप केमिकल्स इन द रिवर विच पॉल्यूट दैम एंड कॉज हार्म टू द ऑर्गेनिज्म living in water. People throw household waste and factories dump chemicals in the river. This is the reason for pollute them and cause harm to the organism. Student, organism is a creature. Creature means living thing that has the ability to act or function independently in the water. We call it organism. Okay, it means creature, jeev. Now second, in the same way, smoke from vehicles, factories pollute the air we breathe. Student, in this chapter, we are studying about the pollution. Pollution can be described as a process of making the environment around us dirty. Okay. For this, adding substances which are harmful. First is people throw household waste, factories dump chemicals in the river. Second, in the same way, smoke from vehicles, factories pollute the air we breathe. The substance which pollute the environment is called the pollutant. The substance, ये चार जो चीज़ें हैं, substances हैं which pollute the environment is called the pollutant. It means pollutant means pollution, pradushan. It described as a process. Okay, now types of pollution. Every day we face different types of pollution. The main types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and soil or land pollution. Okay, first is air, second water, then third is noise pollution and fourth is soil pollution. Now student, we are going to read about the different types of pollution in this chapter, their cause and their effects. Okay students, so here is fact file. Pollution affects nearly 100 million people worldwide. It is as harmful as diseases like malaria and HIV. So, aware for it and stop the pollution. Okay, move on next page. Here, first topic is air pollution. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of gases which are very important for the survival of living organisms. In third chapter, fourth chapter, we already studied about the atmosphere. Student, atmosphere is the first layer of the Earth and is made up of gases. Many of the gases are there like carbon dioxide, like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen and so on. Okay, so maintaining the balances of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and helium etc. is very important. Why it is important? Because important for the survival of living organism. This air is important for us for survival of life. However, the smoke from factories and vehicles makes the air impure and disturb the natural balance of gases in it. Impure, dirty. Okay, so smoke from factories and vehicles makes the air dirty and disturb the natural balance of gases. This is how air pollution is caused. It is a way. These are the factors of. First factor, the smoke from factories, and second, vehicles make the air impure and disturb the natural balance. Okay, there are many reasons which cause air pollution. Let's study them in brief. Now, first point is factories and vehicles. They are the major cause of air pollution. Today, poisonous gases released from the factories pollute the air. पॉइजनस गैसेस, जहरीली गैस रिलीज होती हैं फैक्ट्री से और पॉल्यूट करती हैं एयर को क्या करती हैं? प्रदूषित करती हैं, गंदा करती हैं. स्मोक रिलीज फ्रॉम व्हीकल्स लाइक बसेज एंड ट्रक्स आल्सो कॉज एयर पॉल्यूशन. स्मोक, धुआं रिलीज होता है व्हीकल से, बसेज से, ट्रक से, और ये करते हैं एयर को पॉल्यूट. Okay, harmful gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide are released in the air and they cause health problems like nausea, irritation of eyes, etc. So student, here we study about causes of air pollution. First cause is factories and vehicles smoke. Okay student, poisonous gases. Then second point here is domestic sources. Most people living in villages use wood and dry leaves as a source of fuel. Those people living in the villages use wood and dry leaves as source of fuel. ईंधन के रूप में काम लेते हैं. तो fuel means ईंधन. Burning them releases gases which pollute the air. जब इनको बर्न किया जाता है, जलाया जाता है, तो ये रिलीज करती हैं गैसेस. कुछ गैसें इनमें से निकलती हैं जो एयर को क्या करती हैं? पॉल्यूट करती हैं. द यूज ऑफ गैस स्टोव्स एंड कुकर्स रिलीज कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इन द एयर विच इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल. Not only use wood and dry leaves as a source of fuel. No. Use of gas, stoves and cookers release carbon monoxide in the air, which is very harmful. It's also very harmful for us. These can lead to health problems such as asthma and bronchitis. Okay student, it's very harmful for our health. So first cause factories and vehicles, second domestic sources, and third is cutting of trees. Trees release oxygen in the air which we inhale and observe carbon dioxide that is harmful for us. Trees क्या करता है? रिलीज करता है ऑक्सीजन इन द एयर एंड वी इनहेल. हम उसको इनहेल करते हैं, सांस को लेते हैं, ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. एंड ऑब्जर्व कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. और इसके अलावा ट्रीज क्या करते हैं? ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और रिलीज करते हैं ऑक्सीजन. कटिंग ट्रीज हैज़ एन एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट. स्टूडेंट, कटिंग ट्रीज हैज़ एन एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट. एडवर्स, it means student, it's very harmful effect on the environment. ये कटिंग ट्रीज, पेड़ों को जो काटा जाता है, हैज़ एन एडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट. पर्यावरण पर इफेक्ट डालता है, बहुत बड़ा इफेक्ट डालता है. ट्रीज आल्सो एब्जॉर्ब द एक्सेस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. क्यों डालता है? क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो प्रेजेंट होती है हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के अंदर, हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर, उसको क्या करता है? ये ट्रीज क्या करते हैं? ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हैं और रिलीज करते हैं ऑक्सीजन. लेकिन वहीं पर हम जब कटिंग ट्री को हम जब काट देंगे तो ये इफेक्ट डालेंगे. एडवर्स इफेक्ट डालेंगे स्टूडेंट, which is present in the air. Lesser number of trees means more amount of carbon dioxide in the air, which led to global warming. So student, lesser number of trees means more amount of carbon dioxide in the air. क्यों? क्योंकि ट्री तो कट गए और ट्री ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो मोर अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एयर. तो एयर के अंदर क्या हो गया, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का जो लेवल है वो एक्सेस में हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. और इसके अलावा जो ट्रीज रिलीज करते थे ऑक्सीजन इन एयर में वो भी कम हो गया. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का लेवल बढ़ गया, ऑक्सीजन का कम हो गया. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव द सो मैनी प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग हेल्थ. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर we are studying about pollution and different type of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, and its causes and effect. So student, aware for this and planting more trees and save trees. Okay student, thank you so much for listening me. Bye.